We are presenting a skit about Navaratri that starts with a conversation between a grandpa and his grandkid. Please sit back and enjoy.
Dadu, Dadu, come here. Look at all these colorful dolls. They look so beautiful. I know it's Navaratri and I can see there are celebrations everywhere like Dandiya, Garba, Durga Puja pandals everywhere. But I wonder why so many dolls are being displayed here. And looks like even puja is being done for these dolls. Strange, isn't it? Dadu. Hey my boy Aryan, let me tell you the story behind these dolls. Come here. Yeah, they look really beautiful. This is mainly a practice in southern states like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. In Kannada, it's called Bombay Habba, means the doll festival. In Tamil, it is Bommai Golu, which means divine presence. And in Telugu, it means Bommala Koluvu, refers to the court of toys. There is an important meaning why these dolls are kept during Navratri. These dolls are kept during Dasara to pay respect to the gods and goddesses who sacrifice their powers to help goddess Durga defeat the demon Mahishasura, to celebrate the victory of good over evil, and to teach all of us, and especially kids, about our gods and culture. You know, these dolls were kept in the house for 10 days before the festival culminates with Vijayadashmi or Dasara, a day when goddess Durga won the battle against Mahishasura after fighting for 9 long days. This is a wonderful story. Come, let's see the story in detail. A long time ago, there was an Asura named Mahishasura. He was strong, powerful, and very proud. He not only wanted to be king of Asuras, but he also wanted to rule over the 3 worlds. Mahishasura, I want to be the king of kings, lord of lords, and rule over the 3 worlds. Nobody, absolutely nobody should be able to defeat me, and I want to be all powerful. And the only way to achieve this is to pray to Lord Brahma and force him to grant me this boon. I will please him with my devotion and get what I am looking for, to be the king of the world. He started his penance, and a great number of years passed before Lord Brahma finally appeared before the Asura. Brahma, O Mahisha, your prayers have pleased me. Ask me what you want, and I shall grant you the boon. Mahishasura, Lord Brahma, I bow to you. Please make me immortal. May I have no fear from death. Brahma was a little perturbed and said, Mahisha, this is not possible. All creation must have an end, and nobody is immortal. You ask me anything else, and it shall be yours. Mahishasura then said, Then, O Lord Brahma, grant me this boon. May I not die at the hands of men. May I not die at the hands of my enemies, the Devas. May I not die at the hands of Trimurtis, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. No man or God can kill me. Please grant me this boon. Brahma said, So be it, Tatasthu. No man or God can kill you ever. Mahishasura. Saying this, Brahma disappeared. Mahishasura looked to the skies and roared with evil laughter that he has finally become all-powerful and no one can ever defeat him or kill him. Gathering his armies, the terrible Asura launched an assault on earth and on Devaloka. The war between Devas and Asuras lasted a very long time, but Mahishasura remained victorious. Seeing this, Indra, king of gods, rushed to the Trimurtis. O Trimurtis, Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, Mahishasura has taken over heaven and earth. We are all powerless against him. Please save us all. Hearing this, Brahma says, Yes, I gave him a boon. No man or God can kill him. He prayed for many years. I had to grant it. Then Vishnu says, But now he uses that power to spread evil and fear. We must restore balance. Shiva says, if no man or God can destroy him, then perhaps the answer is not a man. Brahma suddenly gets the solution and says, yes, there is one form that can defeat him, a woman. Hearing this, everyone wonders, where is such a woman? Indra says, but there is no such woman. Vishnu says, then we shall make one. She will be as strong as Shiva, as wise as Brahma, and as powerful as me. Brahma agrees. Let us create her, the destroyer of evil and protector of dharma. And from their combined divine power, they created goddess Durga. Durga, the invincible. Dur in Sanskrit stands for difficult and Gam means to pass, which means Durga is a fortress or a place difficult to run over, invincible. The name Durga reflects the concept of goddess as an assailable protector against evil and a powerful force who can take devotees through difficulties and remove suffering. The gods then gifted Goddess Durga with their weapons and other divine objects to help her in her battle with Mahishasura. Lord Shiva gave her his Trishula, while Lord Vishnu gave her his Sudarshana Chakra, and Lord Brahma gave her his Kamandala. Powered with all these weapons, Goddess Durga rode into the battle on her lion and challenged Mahishasura. Mahishasura, looking at her, laughed and said, a woman? You think you can fight me? Durga says, I am not just a woman. I am Shakti, the power. Let's fight. And the fight goes on. Durga, armed with the blessings and weapons of all the gods, took on the entire Asura army with unmatched strength. For 9 long days, the battle raged. Mahishasura, in a desperate attempt to win, transformed into various forms, a lion, an elephant, even a ferocious serpent, in an attempt to overpower the goddess. She took on different divine forms known as the Navadurgas each day, her strength growing with each new avatar. On the 10th day, Mahishasura, in his final attempt, reverted to his buffalo form. And this time, Durga pinned him down to the ground and with her Trishula pierced him, bringing an end to his reign of terror. With this, good triumphed over evil and peace was restored to the universe. Goddess Durga defeated evil and saved the 3 worlds.
जयन्ती मंगलाकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा सदा नमोस्तुते।
Since then, we celebrate her victory every year during Navratri and Durga Puja. Goddess Durga's victory over Mahishasura symbolizes more than just a battle of strength. It represents the eternal truth that good always triumphs over evil and light always overcomes darkness.
विध्वंसी वेधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि धूम्रनेत्र वधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि रक्तबीज वधे देवी चण्डमुण्डो विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं यशो जहि निशुम्भ शुम्भ निर्नाशि त्रैलोक्य शुभदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि वन्दितां देयुगे देवी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि अचिन्त्य रूप चरिते सर्वशत्रु विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि न तेभ्यः सर्वदा भक्ता चापर्णे दुरितापहे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि चण्डीके सततं युद्धे जयन्ती पापनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि
Aryan, how did you like the story? It was amazing, right? See how Goddess Durga was created out of the divine energies of all gods and how she became the protector of the worlds and was invincible. Yes, Dadu, it was really awesome. Also, I find these dolls fascinating. I see there are so many different types of dolls. What all types of dolls are there, Dadu? Yes, dear Aryan, you're right. There are various types of dolls that we display. Also, how we keep the dolls are also very special. You see, some dolls are placed in the lower steps and others are on the upper steps. The most important part of the doll display is the husband-wife, king-queen dolls called Pattada Gombe. They are said to be royal dolls, depicting Vishnu, Lakshmi and Shiva and Shakti. And you see the topmost steps depict the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu, the Dashavatara. Aryan, do you know about Dashavatara? No, Dadu. What is it? Can you tell me? Yes, of course. I will tell you and I will also show you. Come, let's see the 10 avatars of Mahavishnu.
शरच्चन्द्रबालं महादैत्यकालं नभो नीलकायं दुरावारमायं सुपद्मा सहायं भजेऽहं सदाम्बोधिवासं गजपुष्पहासं जगत्सन्निवासं शतादित्यभासं गदाचक्रशस्त्रं लसत्पीतवस्त्रं हसच्चारुवक्त्रं भजेऽहं रमाकण्ठहारं श्रुतिभ्रातसारं जनान्तर्विहारं धराभारहारं चिदानन्दरूपं मनोज्ञस्वरूपं धृता जगद्विन्दलेशं हृदाकाशदेशं सदा दिव्यदेहं विमुक्ताखिलेहं सुवैकुण्ठगेहं भजेऽहं भजेऽहम् सुरारी बलिष्ठं त्रिलोकी वरिष्ठं गुरूणां गरिष्ठं स्वरूपैकनिष्ठं सदा युद्धधीरं महावीरधीरं भवाम्भोधिधीरं भजेऽहं भजेऽहम् ब्रह्मावामभागं कृताधीनयागं गतारागरागं मुनीन्द्रैः सुवीतं सुरैः सम्परीतं गुणौकैरतीतं भजेऽहं भजेऽहम्
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
Wow, Dadu, it is so awesome that all our gods are displayed as dolls in Navratri. We also get to learn and remember the stories of our gods and pray to them through the dolls. Yes, my dear, what you said is totally right. This is also one of the reasons why these dolls are displayed year on year. It teaches us about our gods and goddesses, narrates Puranas, and demonstrates the divine energy in our lives. Do you want to see the other kinds of dolls that are displayed? See the next ones. They are Ashtalakshmis, the 8 forms of Goddess Lakshmi. Come, let us have a look at them. Adi Lakshmi represents eternal prosperity and spiritual abundance. Dhana Lakshmi, she is the goddess of material wealth. Dhanya Lakshmi, she is the goddess of good harvest and grains. Gaja Lakshmi, she symbolizes power and strength, depicted with an elephant. Santana Lakshmi, the goddess of offspring and fertility. Veera Lakshmi, she embodies courage, strength and determination. Vidya Lakshmi, she is the goddess of knowledge and wisdom. Vijay Lakshmi, she is the goddess of victory and triumph.
सुमनसवन्दित सुन्दरि माधवि चन्द्र सहोदरि वीणमयि मुनिगणवन्दित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मञ्जुळभाषिणि वासिनि देवगणा शतपादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि धान्यलक्ष्मि जय पालय जय वरवर्णिनि वैष्णवि भार्गवि मन्त्रस्वरूपिणि मन्त्रमयि सुरगणपूजित शीघ्रफलप्रद ज्ञानविकासिनि शास्त्रनुते भवभयहारिणि पापविमोचनि साधुजना शतपादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि त्रयलक्ष्मि जय पालय जय जय दुर्गतिनाशिनि कामिनि सर्वफलप्रद शास्त्रमयि व्रतगज तुरगफलादि समानुत परिजनमण्डित कोटनुते हरिहर ब्रह्म सुपूजित सेवित तापनिवारिणि पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीधरलक्ष्मी पालय ऐकगवाहिनि मोहिनि चक्रिणि रागविवर्धिनि ज्ञानमये गुणगणवारिधि लोकहितैषिणि सप्तः स्वरवरगाननुते सकल सुरासुरदेव मुनीश्वर मानव वन्दित पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि सन्तानलक्ष्मि पालय जय कमलासनि सद्गतिदायिनि ज्ञानविकासिनि गानमये अनुदिनमर्चित कुङ्कुमधूसरभूषित वासित वाद्यनुते कनकधरा स्तुति वैभववन्दित शङ्कर देशिक मान्यपते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि विजयलक्ष्मि जय पालय प्रणत सुरेश्वरि भारति भार्गवि शोकविनाशिनि रत्नमये मणिमयभूषित कर्णविभूषण शान्ति समावृत हास्यमुखे नवनिधिदायिनि कलिवलहारिणि काम्यफलप्रद हस्तयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि विद्या लक्ष्मि पालय माम् धिमि धिमि धिं धिमि धिं धिमि धिं धिमि धुन्दुभिनाद सुपूर्णमये धुम 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 शङ्खनिनाद सुवाद्यनुते वेदपुराणेतिहास सुपूजित वैदिक मार्ग प्रदर्शयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीधरलक्ष्मी पालय माम् जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीधरलक्ष्मी पालय श्रीमहालक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्न्यै च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्
Aryan, did you see the Ashtalakshmi dolls? They were so beautiful, right? These types of doll display is typically arranged in multiple steps with the divine at the highest level and human and other beings below. It actually represents that everything is interconnected in life and there is a presence of divine in every aspect of creation. You know, that's why in the dolls displayed during Navratri, It is not only gods and goddesses and not only Purana stories, dolls are also displayed showing everyday life, animals, and nature. Dolls have village life, folk artists, these are also part of the display. Come, Aryan, let's see some of the everyday life which is shown in the dolls display.
ಚಿನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನೆಗೌಡ ಕುಂಬಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೊಡನವ್ವ ಚಿನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನೆಗೌಡ ಕುಂಬಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೊಡನವ್ವ ಚಂದಕ ತಂದೇನ ತಂಗಿ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೇನ ಚಂದಕ ತಂದೇನ ತಂಗಿ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೇನ ಚಿನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನೆಗೌಡ ಕುಂಬಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೊಡನವ್ವ ಚಿನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನೆಗೌಡ ಕುಂಬಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೊಡನವ್ವ ಚಂದಕ ತಂದೇನ ತಂಗಿ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೇನ ಚಂದಕ ತಂದೇನ ತಂಗಿ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೇನ ತನ 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 ತನ
Dadu, it's really exciting to see so many types of dolls, even daily life ones. Yes, Aryan, there are even dolls that depict music and rhythm. Come, let me show you. My dear Aryan, I hope you understood and enjoyed getting a glimpse of all the types of dolls displayed during Dasara. Come, let us pray to Devi Durga on this auspicious festival of Navratri. She represents the divine feminine power, our Shakti, and is associated with strength, protection, motherhood, and destruction of all evil forces. Yes, Dadu, I bow down to all the gods that are displayed in the form of dolls or gombes, whose combined energy made Durga the supreme mother goddess. Jai Ma Durge, Jai Bhavani, Jai Mata Di.
ऐ जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुङ्ग हिमालय शृङ्ग निजालय माध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभ गञ्जिनि कैटभ भञ्जिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते मा रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते शतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड वितुण्डित शुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपुगज गण्ड विदारण चण्ड पराक्रम शुण्ड मृगाधिपते निज भुज दण्ड निपातित खण्ड विपातित मुण्ड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते मा रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते शत्रुवधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभूते चतुर विचार धुरीण महाशिवदूत कृतात्ममधाधिपते दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानवटूत कृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते मा रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ शरणागत वैरि वधूवर वीर वना भयदायक रे त्रिभुवन मस्तक शूल विरोधि शिरोधि कुतामल शूल करे धुमि धुमि तामर धुंधु भिनाद महो मुखरि खुद धिंग करे जय जय हे महिषासुर मर्दिनि रम्यक भरदिनि शैल सुते मा रम्यक भरदिनि शैल सुते ऐ निज हुंकृति मात्र निराकृत धूम्र विलोचन धूम्र शते समर विशोषित शोणित बीज समुद्भव शोणित बीज लते शिव शिव शुंभ निशुंभ महावतर्पित भूत पिशाच रते जय जय हे महिषासुर मर्दिनि रम्यक भरदिनि शैल सुते मा रम्यक भरदिनि शैल सुते धनुरनु संगरण क्षण संग परिस्फुरदंग नटत्कटके अनग पिशंग पृषत्क निशंगर सद्भट शृंग हता बटुके उत चतुरंग बलक्षितिरंग घटत बहुरंग रटत बटुके जय जय हे महिषासुर मर्दिनि रम्यक भरदिनि शैल सुते मा रम्यक भरदिनि शैल सुते
Jai Mata Di! A big clap for all of them and all of you too. Jai Mata Di! A big round of applause to Ranjini Rao, the mastermind behind this entire program. Please, big round of applause, please. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you so much for sitting patiently through this. I know it was a long program, but we had a great time putting this together, and it will not be fair if I don't introduce each of the young ladies here and all the not so young kids here. So give them a big round of applause before I start. And I really request you to be patient with me, so I'll go one by one. It's almost like an attendance in classroom. So hold on. Let me start with the young ladies. Akshaya. Okay, so you have to keep clapping. That is your job for today. Akshaya, Rita, Akanksha, Shweta, Vijayanti, Shobana, Subhashini, Soumya, Parimala Rao. Okay, now let's move on to Riya, who's our Durga. A big round of applause for her. That sword, by the way, is super heavy. She's been holding it so nicely from that time. You can put it down if you want. No, away from the kids. Okay. So we have Mahavishnu Dhruva, Aryaman as Brahma, Tejas as Shiva, Pranil as Indra, Siddhartha as Mahishasura, Samartha as Aryan, Pranav as our dear old Dadu. Okay, we're moving on that side. Let's have the farmer Kanha. Wave, boys, wave. People won't know who you are. Wave. Okay, we'll start with Avatar. Mayan, Matsya Avatar. Wave. Abhiram, Kurma Avatar. You can remove your Kartikeya, Varaha Avatar. Our Narsimha refuses to remove his mask. That is Atishay. Can you show us your face? No. Okay. Finally, I think from 5 o'clock he's on that mask. very big, very old Vamana, Krish. Okay, wait there, you have to help me. Parashuram. Where is Parashuram? Shravan Rama. Dev is Balaram. Sonu Krishna. And Adi is Kalki. Diya, who did our lovely Rupam Dehi dance. And the folk dancers Adya, Advaita and Sachi. And our Ashtalakshmis Avantika, Akanksha, Anika, Arya. Girls, wave. They won't know who you are. Wave it. Arya, Dhriti, Ananya, and our Durga Kam Ashtalakshmi, one of the Ashtalakshmi, Saumya, Lavanya. And of course, let's call our drummer, Mr. Sumir. Let's give him a big round of applause. That was some energy. Thank you so much. And a big thanks to everybody who's helped us directly, indirectly. I don't know, it's a long list because we've been doing this for a long time now. So thank you so much for all our supporters, MC members, everybody. Thank you so much. And of course, thanks to the audience who sat through this. A big round of applause to you as well. And you've been listening to this loud applause, so thank you. And thanks to the rain god. Thank you. We have a great time.